Bad posture is not only an issue for the aged population anymore. Nowadays, almost everyone has some sort of imbalances. Results are not only a bad look and promotion of weakness to yourself and others, but there are also other health issues which you are risking too. Let's look into this with more depth. The first cause for bad posture is the extended use of cell phones and long hours in front of a computer screens, which shorten neck flexors and weaken neck extensors, leading to forward head position, resulting in lower oxygenation levels and headaches. In a study from 2016 evaluating changes in posture and respiratory functions due to cell phone use, the conclusion is clear. There were significant differences in the craniovertebral angle, scapular index, and peak expiratory flow depending on the duration of smartphone use. The result of this study showed that prolonged use of smartphones could negatively affect both posture and respiratory function. Second cause is the sedentary lifestyle and lack of proper exposure to resistance training. The spine is squeezed together and bends forward due to the gravity force. This will ultimately lead to loss of height and lower back issues. Let's now get to the corrective actions. First of all, use your cell phone less. Number 2, use your cell phone the right way. Number 3, have an ergonomic working environment. Number 4, consider getting a standing working desk. Number 5, resistance train properly, covering the posterior chain, including the neck extensors. Training strategy should be progressing from sitting to standing exercises as leg curls to deadlifts, leg extensions to unilateral leg exercises and squats, seated overhead presses to standing version, back extensions and up crunches to carries, B and unilateral versions. Please check our video on how to increase your height and improve your posture under the link below. Hope this was valuable to you. If so, please help us by sharing with friends and colleagues. Like and subscribe and shoot me any questions you have. I will answer personally. Get strong and live long. Thank you for watching.